everyone! Welcome to YouTube channel. So, my name is Mila Lacanay from grade 11 ABMY1. So, for today, I will discuss the topic is logarithm. What is logarithmic function? In mathematics, the logarithmic serves as the inverse function to exponent relation. It implies that a logarithmic of a given number multiplier represent the exponent to which a fixed base denoted as a most varies. The yield that the specific number be in its simplest form, the logarithmic measure to the occurrences of the same factor in repeated multiplication. Here are my 4 examples. 3 raised to the 2 times plus 1 equal to 3 raised to 2 and 3 times 3 equals 9. Ayun pala, equals 9. Equals to 9. 9 pa rin siya. And 2 divide 2 times plus a divide 2 equals x equals 4. Here's the answer. So, log base to 10 multiply by 2x equals to 4. So, yung 10 combine by magiging 4 raised to 4. So, 2 times equal 10 raised to 4. Multiply lang natin siya 10 times 10, 4. Equals is 10,000. And multiply by 101. Divide by 2. So equal is x equal 5,000. So here the answer. So 2 log base to 4 multiply and equal raised to 4. So log 2 log raised to 2 multiply by 12 to 2. So times equal 2 raised to 2. And the times lang natin siya by 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Equal is 4. Here the answer. So, ang next example naman natin is log raised to 2 6 times plus 3 equals log raised to 4 times 7 times negative 5. So, hanapin natin yung exponential. Is 6 times plus 3 is equal 7 times minus 5. So, hanapin ko yung cancel. X plus 5 minus equals sa 7 hanapin natin minus 6 times plus 5. So, hanapin natin yung cancel. Cancel natin yung 5 and 6. So, 8 divide 1 equal 1 times divide 1. So, cancel natin yung 1 and our final answer is x equals 8. So, ito ang answer. So now, let's proceed to the exercises. Log raised to 4 times 5 times plus 1 is equal to. So, yung right natin is yung exponential. So, 5 times plus 1 is equal 4 raised to 2. Then yung 4, i-divide natin. Ay, tatimes pala. 4 times 4 is equal 16. So then, sulat lang natin yung exponential. 5 times plus 1 is equal 16. Then, para makuha natin yung 5, i-minus natin siya. 5 times equal to 15. Then, 5 divide natin sa 15. 5 times 5. 15 times 5. The final answer is x equal to 3. Log raised to 4 multiply by 5 times plus 6 equals to 2. Transpose natin. Then, 4 raised to 2 equals 5 times 5 plus 5. Para makuha natin yung 16, i-erase natin ito. So, 16 equals 5 times plus 6. Then, 5 sum naman is first 15. So, alam ko natin yung 10, yung natin. 10 is equals 5 times. Then, divide natin sila. 10 divide 5. Then, 5 times divide 5. Ika-cancel na natin ito. And the final answer is x minus final answer log raised to 10 9 times plus 1 is equal to 2. So the exponential is 2. Ano natin? 10 raised to 2 is equal to 9 times plus 1. So, may sa atin yung 100 para maging natin. Ito 10 natin, 10 times natin. 100 equals 9 times plus 1. I-minus natin yung 100 para maging 99. 99 is equal 9 times. So, 99 divide 9. And 9 is x divide 9. Cancel na natin itong dalawang 9. The final answer is x is equal to 11. Now, I hope you learned to my topic. Thank you for watching. Mathematics is not about numbers, equation, computation, and algorithms. It's about understanding. William Paul Thurston.